Hi, here's an introduction to small batch assembly. Small batch assembly is a low-volume, no-frills electronics assembly service. We focus on the needs of makers, educators, DIY, researchers, and EE professionals. To get a price, click on the Get Instant Quote button. Enter the number of boards, the number of placements per board, the number of part types you will supply on cut tape with no leader, the number of part types you will supply on cut tape with leader, aka mouse reel or digi-reel, and enter the number of part types that we will supply from our generic parts list. If you'd like to see that list, click on Standard Parts List. When you click Get Quote, you will get a total price for the order and the price per board. You can experiment with different amounts to dial in the best price. To get started uploading jobs, for the first time you'll need to register on the site. Click on the register link and enter your email address. In your email, watch for a link. It will take you back to this complete registration page. Enter a new password and click Complete Registration. You may now immediately begin to upload a job. Click on Upload in the menu bar. Enter the board quantity. You can change this later. Enter whether or not the boards are panelized. Enter the board dimensions. And units. We require at least 2 fiducials on the board. You must answer yes to this question. If everything is okay, you'll be allowed to go to the next step. Next, upload a placement bill of materials file. This is a comma-separated file. For EagleCAD users, we provide a ULP script which allows you to generate this automatically. For more information on its format, you can consult our FAQ. You can either drag and drop the file or click Add. If all is well, you'll be allowed to go to the next step. You'll be taken to the Upload Paste Mask screen. The paste mask Gerber layer is the same as you would send to the PC board fabricator. For EagleCAD users, we provide a .cam file to generate exactly what we need. Drag and drop your Gerber file. If there are no errors, the next screen will be a preview of an overlay of the CSV information and the Gerber information. The blue arrows come from the CSV file and show where your parts are going to be placed. They should be placed on pads, and the rotation should be correct for the pads. At any point during the upload process, you can either go back and upload new versions of the files, or you may pause and come back later, and your job state will be saved. The next step is to enter information about each BOM line item. This test file only had one part type, so we only see one line here. At this point, the system does not know who is going to supply the part, the customer or a small batch assembly. Click on Edit. If you select Customer, then a number of items need to be filled in for each part. If you select Small Batch Assembly, you can enter a partial string which matches the small batch parts library, and when you do so, all the information about the part will be filled in. Click Save and go back to the main list. You would repeat this for each BOM light item. In our case, we only have one, so we're done. The system is happy. We have all the information we need. You can go to the Review Job Info page and look at all the collected information about your job. Again, at any point, you may go back and upload a new BOM, a new Gerber, or enter the basic job info such as board quantity. There is also a fixed rotations tool which will help you correct rotations for parts if they are not correct. When you are satisfied, you can submit the job for quote. Just click submit and off it goes. You'll receive an email acknowledgement and we'll get back to you within 1 business day.